What happens when a billionaire CEO's 29-year-old son assaults a 71-year-old Vietnam veteran in a restaurant parking lot, then walks into Judge Frank Caprio's courtroom with 8 corporate lawyers, creating a wall of legal intimidation? This entitled man is about to learn that some lawyer armies backfire, some company funds are illegal to use, and some phone calls to the SEC crash your father's stock by 40% in a single afternoon. But what makes this case absolutely devastating isn't just the assault on a veteran or the ridiculous legal team. It's what happened when Judge Caprio made one phone call to the Securities and Exchange Commission that triggered a federal investigation, caused Sterling Industries' stock to plummet, cost shareholders billions, and forced the billionaire CEO father to resign in disgrace. It's a Thursday morning in Providence Municipal Court. The gallery is buzzing with anticipation because word has spread that something unprecedented is about to happen. Marcus Sterling, age 29, son of billionaire CEO Robert Sterling of Sterling Industries, faces charges of assault and battery on an elderly person stemming from an incident at the Capital Grille 5 nights ago. The victim is 71-year-old James Martinez, a decorated Vietnam veteran who was having dinner with his wife for their 45th wedding anniversary when Marcus, drunk and belligerent, got into an argument with the valet over parking priority. When James politely suggested Marcus calm down, Marcus shoved him violently against a car, causing James to fall and suffer a broken collarbone and severe bruising. But what makes this morning extraordinary isn't just the charges. It's what's about to walk through those courtroom doors. The doors open, and Marcus Sterling enters. But he doesn't enter alone. Behind him, filling the entire aisle, are 8 lawyers. Not one attorney, not 2. 8 attorneys in expensive suits, carrying briefcases, moving in formation like a corporate legal SWAT team. Lead attorney Christopher Blackwell from Morrison & Blackwell, one of New York's most prestigious corporate law firms, walks directly behind Marcus. Behind him, 7 more attorneys fan out, taking up an entire row of benches. They're all wearing similar dark suits, all carrying identical leather portfolios with the Sterling Industries logo embossed in gold. The visual is shocking. It looks like a corporate board meeting, not a criminal proceeding. Several people in the gallery actually gasp. Judge Caprio watches this entrance with careful attention, his experienced eyes immediately recognizing this for what it is: legal intimidation. The message is clear. We have unlimited resources, unlimited firepower, and we're here to overwhelm you. Marcus himself is dressed in an expensive charcoal suit, designer watch, perfectly styled hair. He walks with the casual arrogance of someone who's never faced real consequences for anything in his life. He doesn't look concerned. He looks bored. The bailiff calls the case. The state of Rhode Island versus Marcus Robert Sterling. Charges, assault and battery on an elderly person. Judge Caprio reviews the case file, then looks up at the sea of attorneys now occupying a significant portion of his courtroom. Mr. Sterling, before we begin, I need to understand something. How many attorneys are representing you today? Christopher Blackwell stands smoothly. Your Honor, I'm Christopher Blackwell, lead counsel. With me are 7 associate attorneys from Morrison & Blackwell, along with specialists in various areas of law relevant to this case. Judge Caprio's eyebrows raise slightly. 8 attorneys for a simple assault and battery case? Your Honor, Mr. Sterling's family has significant interests to protect. We believe in thorough representation. I see. And who is paying for this thorough representation? Blackwell doesn't hesitate. Sterling Industries, Your Honor. Mr. Sterling's father, Robert Sterling, is the CEO and majority shareholder. The company maintains a legal defense fund for executive family members. Judge Caprio's expression becomes very still. Sterling Industries is a publicly traded company, is it not? Yes, Your Honor. Listed on the New York Stock Exchange under ticker symbol STRO. And this publicly traded company is paying for 8 corporate attorneys to defend the CEO's son in a criminal assault case? Blackwell shifts slightly. It's within the company's legal framework to provide legal support for executive families, Your Honor. Judge Caprio makes a note but doesn't pursue it yet. Mr. Sterling, how do you plead? Marcus barely looks up. Not guilty. Mr. Blackwell, I assume you'd like to address the court. Blackwell stands, and what follows is a masterclass in corporate legal intimidation. Your Honor, we move to dismiss all charges based on insufficient evidence, improper police procedure, violation of my client's rights during arrest, and... Judge Caprio holds up his hand. Mr. Blackwell, we haven't even reviewed the evidence yet. You're filing motions to dismiss based on procedure you haven't seen? Another attorney stands. Your Honor, I'm David Chen, specialist in criminal procedure. I've reviewed the arrest records and found 17 procedural irregularities that... Judge Caprio interrupts again. Mr. Chen, sit down. Mr. Blackwell, control your team. This isn't a corporate boardroom. This is a courtroom. One attorney speaks at a time. A third attorney half stands. Your Honor, if I may address the procedural... No, you may not. Sit down. If you're not subscribed, hit that button right now because what Judge Caprio does next will show you what happens when corporate legal intimidation meets a judge who won't be bullied. Judge Caprio addresses the prosecutor. Please present the evidence. Assistant District Attorney Rachel Kim stands. Your Honor, 5 nights ago at approximately 9:30 p.m., Mr. Sterling was at the Capital Grille in downtown Providence. Security footage shows him arriving in his Lamborghini, already visibly intoxicated. He became aggressive with the valet over parking priority. Immediately, 2 of Marcus's attorneys stand simultaneously. Objection. Your Honor, that's... Judge Caprio's voice cuts through. Sit down, both of you. Ms. Kim has the floor. The attorneys sit, but the message is clear. They're going to object to everything, creating chaos and delay. ADA Kim continues. Mr. James Martinez, a 71-year-old Vietnam veteran, was leaving the restaurant with his wife after their anniversary dinner. He witnessed Mr. Sterling's aggressive behavior and politely suggested he calm down. Mr. Sterling responded by shoving Mr. Martinez violently against a vehicle, causing him to fall and suffer a broken collarbone. Another attorney stands. Your Honor, we dispute that characterization of... Sit down, Ms. Kim, please continue. Your Honor,